Ants are everywhere. We share the Earth with an estimated 1 quadrillion ants spread out over more than 12,000 ant species. This outnumbers all other living species on Earth and can be found on every continent, apart from Antarctica. With super strength, some ant species can even carry over 100 times their own body weight, which is like seeing a person carry about 8 adult African elephants upside down. So what makes these insects so resilient? The life cycle of the ant consists of 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult, which usually takes 6 to 10 weeks to complete. Their life begins as eggs laid by the queen, and then develop into larvae and will molt repeatedly to gain size. After reaching a certain size, the larva spins a silk-like cocoon around itself and pupates, also known as being in its pupa stage. The pupa then emerges as an adult ready to be part of the colony. An ant colony consists of 3 different types of adult ants: the queen, the males, and the female workers. The queen ant has the most important role as they ensure the survival of their species. They leave their birth colony in their youth in search of male to mate with. Once mating, she will find a space to lay her own fertilized eggs to begin the creation of a new colony. Once she has established the foundations of her new home, her only role is to lay eggs for the rest of her life. The female workers' tasks range from caring for the queen and the young, foraging, policing conflicts in the colony, and waste disposal. The male ants, also known as drones, will leave the colony in order to mate with new queens and die as soon as they've fulfilled this function. Because of these cycles, ants have been able to blossom, adapting to varying environments across the globe. The most common species found in the UK is the black garden ant, which you will find in gardens and sometimes even in your home. They tend to eat small insects, nectar, and seeds. But don't worry, they're harmless to humans and actually help the ecosystem. They aerate the soil, break down organic matter, and control the population of other insects. However, not all species are so friendly. The fire ant, found in the United States, are more aggressive than any other ant species and have a painful sting to ward off predators and humans. To spot these stinging insects colony, look for mounds poking out of the ground, which are also known as anthills, and avoid them at all costs. But these critters aren't anything compared to the bulldog ant. Found in Australia and New Caledonia, the bulldog ant is the official record holder for being the most aggressive and dangerous ant in the world. They have large mandibles and venomous stings that, in humans, causes intense pain that can last for several days and in rare cases can even cause death. Despite how intimidating ants may seem up close, most species are completely harmless to humans. They are strong and resilient insects, which allows these species to thrive in prosperous colonies for centuries to come.